Hi folks, Richard Fontenay here. Now, thank you for checking out my product review. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coach to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Yeah, that's $10,000 a month. Now, if you're interested, please check out the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product from the second link in that description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you my 4 exceptional bonuses that I have been able to snag from my coach, Virgil Downs. The first bonus shows you how to supercharge your make money online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources, and you get them every Friday. Grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. Now, when you get an order for a high value gig, for example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and you deliver that to your buyer. And you pocket the difference in the process. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And this is an important point. It's a reoccurring or recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps. And you can do that without spending a lot of time, 15 minutes daily to run the entire system. Now, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Now, let's get back to the review.
I want you to forget everything that you've ever been told about making money online, because the gurus have been lying to you. The truth is, making money online has never been easy. And until I discovered this revolutionary method that I'm about to share with you, there were only 2 ways to drive targeted traffic to your offers for regular paydays. Either you had to be a content creation expert with technical skills that superseded 99.9% of people online, or you needed deep pockets to pay the big boys to send their traffic your way. So you're probably wondering, how do I, a self-confessed technophobe without any creative flair, make hundreds of dollars in commissions day in and day out like clockwork, without spending a dime on traffic? Give me 2 minutes of your time and I'll share my secret. Hello and welcome. I'm Kenny Tan, and I'm a super affiliate. I make 6 figures per year online. And the crazy thing is, I do that without being a talented writer, without having any design skills or creativity, without having any idea how to edit videos, and without spending a dime on traffic. So how do I do it? What is my secret that makes me up to $404.31 per day? The secret is hitting Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V on my keyboard. That's copy and paste. And I spend a couple of minutes per day doing it. Now, if you're thinking that sounds pretty simple, that's probably because it is. But here's the real secret. Not everyone can copy-paste their way to success. You see, what really makes me the money is the captivating content that I'm copying and pasting. 100% bespoke content that is generated for me by my own custom AI application. The most ingenious AI ever created, tailored to legally siphon traffic and sales from one of the internet's major players. And for the first time ever, for a limited time, I'm releasing this game-changing AI application to the public. Introducing Xclusive. With Xclusive, it only takes me 3 simple steps to start making around-the-clock income on complete autopilot. Step 1. Access Xclusive. Step 2. Ready the app by entering a few simple parameters. Don't worry, it's nothing technical. Step 3. Sit back and relax as the app generates captivating content that sends me free traffic and sales around the clock, even when I'm sleeping. Xclusive has revolutionized the way I do business online. No longer do I need to spend an arm and a leg experimenting with paid traffic or paying with kids to do my content creation. With Xclusive, the AI does all of the work for me. All I do is copy and paste a couple of times per day. I even hired 50 beta testers, including several complete newbies, to test drive the software and prove it works for anyone. And sure enough, every beta tester made money. So you're probably wondering, how many thousands of dollars am I going to charge for access to Xclusive? Well, today is your lucky day. Firstly, access to Xclusive going not to cost you anywhere near the thousands of dollars, despite the fact it is worth that much. Secondly, during this short launch phase, I'm not going to charge a monthly subscription for access. I'm going to give you access for a low one-time investment. Today, you're not going to have to pay the $97 per month, $1,164 per year that I'll be charging after the launch phase. You're not even going to have to pay $97 once. Not even $77. Not even $47. For a very limited time, you can access Xclusive for the incredibly low one-time investment on this page. And that's not all. Just to prove Xclusive is the real deal, I'm including a 30-day money-back guarantee, plus the incredible bonuses listed on this page. But the catch is, this offer is not going to last for long. Act now to secure your access to Xclusive before the price goes up. See you on the inside.
Hi folks, I'm back. Just to remind you of my 4 bonuses. Find out how to supercharge your online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources. Number 2, earn income on Fiverr. Number 3, earn recurring passive income. And number 4, invest 15 minutes a day and get up to $186. And don't forget to check out to earn 10 grand a month in the first link below.